Hey guys, UC here. So I'm running the UC Max bot on the NinjaTrader platform I'm doing a playback from January 8th uh, till January 12th, right, for the 5 days. And I'm setting it up so that it will start running from 8 a.m. Eastern to till market close, right? I mean, it will keep running. And the ATM template is going to be shown on the screen right now. T1 3 points, T2 10 points, and stop loss of 15 with no trailing, right? So this is and also observe that when you see the blue bars, that is where it tells you that where the bot took the long trade, and the purple bars will be the ones where the bot took the short trade, right? And it's kind of good because then you can see where the bot took the trades historically speaking, right, when you enable the bot. So that's kind of good because let's say you come up in the morning, you enable the bot at 8:30, and then if once you do that, it will show you in the historically on the chart. If you go look in the where it took the trades had you enabled it, maybe a few hours ago or something, whatever. So okay, so it's running right now, January 8th session. I'm running it at a speed of 500, right? So this is a 30-second chart. Observe that, right? What is the criteria, all that stuff. It's all hard-coded. The idea is to make this bot really, really hands-free. So you will observe that it does not take as many trades as the EMA bot would have taken, right? And it's just because I've restricted it to trade only in certain market conditions with a certain price action, and just kind of totally different approach, right? So that's why it's a little different from EMA perspective. So here is the January 8th day got completed. So I will bring up the trade performance here, and you will observe that the T1, right, the T1 got hit 100% of the time when we were running the strategy. There are losses, and those losses are because the price did not go to T2, right? Yes, that there is one actually, a T1. I saw there was a loss as well, but I'd say 99% of the time you will see the price goes and hit the T1, right? So I'm thinking from Apex perspective, right? Because Apex has really strict drawdown rules. So if you have a very high winning ratio, like 85%, 90%, that could be good, right? Because that means you're expecting the bot to hit the T1 90% of the time, right? So from that perspective. But anyways, let's go and get into the January 9th session. So gonna run it again and see what happens, where we end up the this whole week. And I think I've only run this video till January 12th session because it was just late, so I did not record it, but I will record the remaining weeks of January and print them out like this, post the video for you all to see, right? Just so that you can keep track, because from January 29th, from I will be trading this in the live market, because I want to exactly see in the real-time market condition what happens, right? Not just the playback. Playback on the time chart is actually a little bit more reliable versus the tick chart, right? Because that's how it is. NinjaTrader also mentions that on their website. But yeah, so this is a time-based chart, right? That's what I'm running the strategy on. Okay, so the January 9th session is over now as well. So again, yes, it was a negative day, but you can see that T1 was hit 100% of the time, right? Just something I was wanted to see what happens if we keep T1 and T2. Of course, it's all depends on you how you want to run it. You can just run it so that you don't have a T2, right? You just come out all the way on T1, that's fine, but I just wanted to run it like that and then see how it turns out to be. So here's the January 10th session starting from 8 a.m. Eastern. You see all those purple bars, those are the shorts. Any blue bars will be the long entries or long setups, right? So we will let it go and see how it goes.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.